Hey, what's up, traders? Head ass. What's good with y'all, man? Trying to come at y'all with another live trading video, man. So, hey, hopefully y'all having a great day, great morning, great night, wherever y'all at, man. Today is Friday. And, hey, man, we on this pair Audusd. And let me activate my little cross here real quick. So I think I got it, yeah, right here. Yeah, 6. Y'all can see it on the right side. This is it right here. And yeah, damn. Yeah. So, like I say, man, we're gonna try to hop on the charts and hopefully get dubbed today. You know, keyword hopefully. That's all we can do is just try to stick to our analysis and try to come back strong. So, hey, man, we got a decent demand zone right here. I drew up right here off this candle, and we tapped into it once, twice. So I'm entering off a break. Off the break of this right here, and hopefully we can just try to get a dub, bro. So okay, bro, this is ridiculous. But yeah, man. But like I say, man, if y'all looking for a Discord to join, surrounded by all traders, click the link in the description down below. And it's just filled with traders. It's a free Discord, I promise you. It's actually a genuine Discord trying to help people out, become profitable, and as well as other things. So, yeah. So I mean, I'm gonna just keep it a buck with y'all. So, yeah, man. And if you guys are looking for a broker, the broker I'm trading on right now is smooth. I promise you. I know it may look different, but I promise you it's smooth. I'm already pretty used to it, and I haven't even been trading that long on it. And withdrawals are quick, spreads are good. I had my run-ins with Hanko. Yes, I ain't gonna completely bash Hanko, but they did me wrong. If you know, you know. But if you're looking for a new broker, bro, just click the link. Oh fuck. Click the link in the description down below and sign up with my link, bro. You know what I'm saying? Sign up with my link, man. You feel me? So try to see if there's anything else I need to say in my intro. Yeah, I dropped my video. First video of the year was yesterday, and I just want to say, if it's fuck, I'm stuttering again. Fuck be going on, bro. But yeah, man, I'm just glad to be back, man, on the charts. I've been missing the charts like crazy, and I think we are going to target. We got that right here. Hold on, let me see something. Let me take this car shit off. I ain't gonna lie. Sometimes this shit do be bugging me. Yeah, all USD. We understand you. It's all USD, but hey, let me yeah. There be a whole lot going on sometimes. So, I'm gonna let this. I'm recording.
What you doing?
Record. Like I'm recording a video right now. Like I'm actually record. Like, hey.
Well, I needed you to check and see. I need to go pick this tire up.
Can you give me like 3 seconds?
Yeah.
Like 3 minutes. I'm recording. I can't stop it. I mean, well, yeah. Probably not finna edit that out. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's Neo Metro. What I call? What should we call him? Dad Metro. Dad NETXRO. So yeah. I'm not finna edit that out. I'm not gonna lie to you. Y'all know me. I don't edit shit out. So y'all saw Pops Metro, man. So hey, man, W Pops Metro. I low-key need a sign outside my door say when I'm trading this shit. Not gonna lie. But yeah. Let me see, man. Hold on. Okay, when the fuck did I get in? Come on, Metro. Lock the fuck in, bro. Lock the fuck in, bro. 68, bro. 68. Hold on. I'm tripping right now, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. You don't gotta be that smart to trade Forex, bro. Look at me. I'm a fucking idiot. Like, let's be honest, bro. I'm a fucking idiot, yo. I'm not gonna lie. I think I got it under this candle right here. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Boom. You know, see, bro, you don't gotta be that smart. Look at me, bro. I'll be struggling on the littlest shit. We gonna go for a little 1 to 2 right here. I don't think I'm gonna hold all the way up here, just cause. But we finna hit it. Oh shit. Yep. Get me the fuck out. Close position. Nigga. Oh shit. I gotta close it on my other account. Oh shit. Oh. All right. Bean. Yeah, man. I'm gonna try to hurry and wrap this up before my dad beat my ass, cause he definitely seemed like he wanted something. And I usually don't try to push people off, but bro, when it comes to this trade, I'm sorry. I gotta get to this money. It's a family first, though. You feel me? But this is just a quick demand zone on AUD, Audusd, and it was just a nice little buy right here. We were above the SMA. I know it's not an SMA right here, but you know what I'm saying. It was a nice little entry, a re-entry, because I lost on one of my other accounts, but not my. I lost on one account and didn't change on one other. Lock the fuck in. I lost on one of my other accounts and didn't take the trade on my other account. But yeah, man, just a quick demand, just a quick video. You know, it's a whole lot of shit going on. Like I told y'all, that's why I've been gone. So if things might seem a little hectic and not really planned through right now, just bear with it, young nigga. You feel me? But hey, man, I appreciate y'all tuning into the video. Like I said, if y'all look for a Discord, new broker, new prop firm, click the link in the description down below. I'm gonna hook y'all up with whoever I'm with, and whoever I'm with, they valid. So, hey, man, y'all have a blessed day. Eat. Bitch.